As we age, many of us experience the onset of white or gray hair. While this is a natural part of growing older, some individuals may wish to slow down or cover white hair through natural methods. In this article, we'll explore foods and recipes that are thought to help delay the graying process and even add some color to your hair. Understanding the graying process. Before delving into foods and recipes, it's essential to grasp why hair turns gray. The primary reason is the reduction in melanin production in hair follicles as we age. Melanin provides hair with its color, and as its production decreases, hair turns gray or white. Genetics play a significant role, but lifestyle and diet can also influence graying. Foods to delay graying. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in hair-healthy nutrients like vitamins A, C, and iron, which may help delay graying. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that protect hair follicles from oxidative stress, potentially delaying graying. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds are biotin-rich, supporting hair health and potentially preventing premature graying. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon and mackerel have anti-inflammatory properties, promoting a healthy scalp and hair. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, vital for maintaining hair color and texture. Recipes to cover white hair. Henna Hair Mask. Henna, natural plant-based dye, adds a reddish tint to hair. Mix henna powder with water, apply it to hair, leave for hours, and rinse. Sage tea rinse. Sage has natural darkening properties. Brew strong sage tea, cool, and use it as a final hair rinse to gradually darken gray hair. Amla oil treatment. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, prevent premature graying. Massage warm amla oil into the scalp regularly to promote hair health. Curry leaf hair oil. Curry leaves are antioxidant rich. Heat coconut oil and add curry leaves, then strain and use it as a regular hair oil to strengthen hair and potentially delay graying. Conclusion. While there's no guaranteed way to prevent or reverse natural graying, incorporating these foods and recipes into your routine can support hair health and possibly delay the onset of white or gray hair. Keep in mind that genetics still play a significant role, and results may vary. Embrace the natural aging process and use these natural remedies to maintain healthy, vibrant hair.